Hello guys, welcome back to another live index trading video. Start. Actually, I have done my first trade. That was just a small trade. I just wanted to try. If you see here, it has made wicks, right? So it is making wicks at the same level where I have drawn the trend line, right? So I just wanted to test with very small stop loss. It will hold that level, break over that level in flow, or it will give some retracement, right? So if you switch to the 15-minute time frame, just look at this, right? So I will show you here, right? So here this is the 15-minute candlestick pattern, right? Just look at this 15-minute candlestick. Here I have done a trend line over here, and it was constantly taking support. Just look at support. Here also support. Try to break down, but here taking. Just look at support. If I switch to the 1-minute time frame, it came exactly right. And as soon as I open my setup, market was trading at this level. If you see, this candle has a wick. This candle has a closing. Again, if you see, there are wicks, right? So what I did, uh, at 9:22 I just entered with 500 quantity because my SL was very small. If you see here, uh, just look at this level, right? At 9:22 level, here it is, right? So here I entered, and with a stop loss only 1 to 2 rupees, like 2-3 rupees, right? Here I got 103 level, but I was expecting to entry at only 101 or 102 itself, right? But what happened, it went up, but I entered at market price, so I got at 103 level, I guess. If you see, 102.8, right? Okay, then within 2 minutes, not at 2 minutes, in just a single minute, you see, 9:22, 42, and 9:23, 49 seconds, right? So within a 1 minute, it gave me like around 15 points, right? If you see over here, just look at this. So I entered somewhere around in this candle, and I exited at this candle top. If you see, it has a high of almost like 117, right? So I was expecting just a small. If you see, I entered in this candle, I guess, and in the itself single candle I booked because the view is clear. If you see, this is a downfall and day high was broken, right? So if you calculate these points, right, these are this is almost like 70 points. So need a 20-30 point retracement, right? And here I was entering at this level. If candle closes green, I will probably exit. If candle goes down, then I will that was just I was just trying to see that resistance will work or not, right? So I entered with a huge 10 lots. But here the thing is that my SL was just 2-3 rupees, right? So if I lose, I look like 2500 or 3000 rupees out, right? But what happened, it shot up, and within that candle it came down again. In the second candle, it again came down, right? So I did not waited to close that candle, and all this thing happened, right? So here that was giving me 15 points. That is like my previous targets, right? If you see, I generally book almost 20 point max, like not max, but generally one like 10.1 is to 1 and 15.1 is to 1.5, and later it goes 20-30 points, and I will trail my SL and I will book profit, right? But here the thing happened, like it was giving me within a minute, right? If you see, I entered at 102.8 at this level, and I exited at 116. So it was giving me like 30, like I was watching that 15 points over there, right? So I just exited at market price because there was no view of downside, right? It was just a trend line in which it is taking support and it is constantly up. So like pullback trade I traded, and it has given me a good profit over here, right? If you see, uh, in positions, just look at it, 6700, right? And that was just Friday, not Thursday, that for trade expiry trade, right? And with today was the expiry, so premium shoot up, and it gave me a good profit today, right? If you see, and then later on we can say as per our status, this is like a downfall, but here the low not broken, or if you see, candle did not close, so like up move, retracement, and again up move. But here there is no candlestick pattern, so like I have added C also over here. If you see at this level, stop loss was very small, but there was no candle confirmation. If you see, 9 rupees stop loss, it has hit it almost like 15, like 130. It has made a high like 130. So if you see, like it has given me almost like 18 points, I guess. Like if I trade, it has given like 15 points overall, right? So that was like target hitted for this trade. But there is no candlestick pattern which confirms that there is a pure engulfing or everything, right? So if you see this candle just open a gap up, right? Just look at close here, open a gap up, went up and closed down. Again, this candle closed it up, right? So here, but there is no candlestick pattern which states that it is going upside or it is like good pattern, like pattern which I follow is like doji and engulfing, or a engulfing candle, or a star, or if you see that hammer pattern, right? So here there is no engulfing, there is no hammer pattern, there is nothing like strong candle which is showing that market is heading towards upside, right? And if you see, Bank Nifty was just consolidating, and Bank Nifty also open here and just close with a doji. So like if this candle is open gap up, it has to close green and then it has to go directly up, right? But thing happened like it was just close like a doji for both. If you see over here, just look at, so doji and doji over here. And the next candle is also like a within the same range. Again, if you see again doji, so there was no confidence to take trade over here, right? Okay, we will see. Like if you find another opportunity, we will enter. This is also a good opportunity. If you see, stop loss is almost like around 8 9 rupees. If you see 8 9 rupees stop loss. Okay, as today is the expiry, so we will try with a small quantity, because okay, I think I have to let my actions fix rather than my words. Okay, fine. Okay, if you see, this level is constantly taking resistance, right? So first time, second time, I don't know, third time it will take or not, right? But if you see in higher time frame, if you see, just look at the market is trying to go upside, and this is just a beginning. If you see 9:37, so it is just a second third minute, right? So in the last also, if you see, like in the last it came down, so this can happen over here. And talking about the target, if you see, our targets are like I will draw resistance zone first, because today is the expiry, and instead of trying a breakout, you have to try within the range, right? If you see over here, this is a constant resistance for market. Just look at resistance, support, false breakdown and up, right? If you see, I shorted at this level yesterday, right? This was a false out and again came down retest, and here I shorted and my SL got hit. Again I shorted, I guess here my SL got hit. Again I shorted, I guess here with a double top breakdown, and my SL got hit, and then market came down to my target rate. Okay, nothing to worry about that. Like if you see over here, option premiums are not rising. And just look at this, I don't like this chart, right? If you see, this chart is not clear, and this chart is like looks clear. So Dhirodha has to work on these issues. Like I don't know why this happens. Okay, now the candlestick looks fine, right? If you see, and still, okay, now it's fine, right? Okay, let's stop here and try to record another. So welcome back, guys. So I have take a trade over here, but I exited with a trailing SL. Like I have to wait, but here I did not waited, and I exited at market price, so that will cost me around like 1,000 rupees more, right? If you see over here, okay, so I enter somewhere around here, right, with this stop loss, and target will be like this, right? So here the main thing which I miss over here like is option premium. If you see over here, so I entered with a one lot over here, and I added quantity over here, right? So at this candle, right, in this candle itself, and it was giving me a profit of around like 3 4 thousand, right? So but I was not able to book that profit, and as soon as it came down here, like it was coming at cost to cost, so I exited, right? Because like a trade which is giving me almost like 20% and I did not book, that is my mistake, right? So this is my funda, and here I exited. Like if I wait here, I will get another 2,000 rupees profit. If you see, like I added first quantity at 199, sorry, 197. If you see at 940, and again like at the closing of 943, 944 candle, right? So I added another one quantity, sorry, another three quantity, right? If you see over here, total I have like 100 quantity worth rupees 20k, right? So if you see, I added quantity at 943 at this candle, right? At the closing of this candle, right? So it was pretty sure my stop loss was like this, but as expiry, so I took this stop loss, and target will be like this. But here, like market went up and again came down. So here that was a resistance level. If you see in 5 minute or in 15 minute time frame, like in 15 minute, you will not see a clear picture over here. But here, in if you go in 5 minute time frame, you can clearly see resistance, right? If I mark over here, just look at this resistance, right? Just look at this resistance, all these resistances, and here it was taking a resistance like After the strong closing, I am expecting that candle to go upside, like the same candle. If you see, this is like 42 point moment, and I was expecting to, like, it has to go straight till this level. If you see, this is the next resistance which market can do. Like, if I draw over here, just look at this level, right? So I was expecting a straight move until this level, and I also put my target as a 280 level, on that level. But the thing happened, like, it has given a big red candle, and like, as today is a expiry, it can go downside also, right? So I waited here, and I waited, like if I wait for my stop loss, it will be fine, instead of exiting on very first attempt, right? If you see, it was just consolidating, but like if it came down directly, it can hit my stop loss also. So that's why I did not took risks. The reason is so simple, it was giving me 4k profit, right? If it is like consolidating on my level, better I will hold till my SL, but it was giving me a profit of around 4k, right? If you see here, my entry was at like here itself, and my stop loss is like 3k. So 1 is to 1, like more than 1 is to 1 already done. So that's why I did not wait it, right? If you see, 1 is to 1 in option is just a good profit on expiry day, because expiry is a bit volatile day, right? Again, if you see, this is a trend line support. If this breaks down, it will come down, but here we are not interested because there is no pattern. Like, we need a pattern like this, right? If you see a double top and breakdown and all these things, right? We can't go short here. Like, what market can do, it can come here, take support, and it can go up, then it can come down again. We like this, right? So here we will short our SL here, right? If you see, our SL is like here, and then we can take target of this level, right? And this will be like feasible also. Okay, we will wait for our setup to form. Like, just look at this level. So it is taking support. So here the picture is not clear, so we are waiting. And in Nifty, if you see, like previous state we have discussed, like break out this level. Where is that graph? Okay, here, right? So we were trying to enter at this level. Like, if you see, if you remember that, here, right? So here our stop loss like 10 9 10 rupees, like here itself, right? And it is currently running in a profit of 14 rupees, right? So 1 is to 1, or 1 is to 1.5 already done. So better you hold, or you can trail your SL also. Like, if you see here, just look at this level. So this was the resistance which was taken out, and now it is taking support, and it can go higher also. In higher time frame, if you see, it has given a closing also, like, and there is a trend line also. If this trend lines get broken, then might we can see a new high. Today's new high, right? Not talking about the past, right? Okay, switching to the bank nifty. If you see, bank nifty is still taking support at candle. Just look at this. So this candle closed red, and then again green candle. So like, it is forming our structure. If you see, like double top structure, right? So we will wait here, right? But we have to note one thing: the trend is positive. If you see, it has taken support, and like day high is got broken, and it is sustaining about day high. So that's why we are in a buying favor. But the yesterday trend is sell, and there was no retracement for this, how much points, like to like 300 points, right? And market went down like 500 points, right, in the morning session itself, in the first minute. So that's why, like, we need a retracement like this. If you see, this is the swing high, and this is the swing low, right? So market is at 0.618 level exactly. People can mark this also. Like, if you see, there will be like 0.5. Okay, just look at this, right? So 0.5 level resistance over here. Okay, people can do another one thing also. If you see, but this will be like not sure trade. If you see, it is taking a constant resistance at this level. You can switch it here also, or you can drag it to till here also. If you see, 1 2 3 4 5, right? So here it is like, it is taking a support at 0.32, but this is not valid because this is not a swing low, this is not a swing high, right? The swing low and swing highs are these. If you see at this level, right? So this will be like more favorable. If you see 0.5% rejection, right? So this is the one thing in uptrend you have to follow this. And if you are trading on a downfall, you have to follow this or this. Both are valid in both the cases, right? You see over here, just look at this, right? So it is taking some resistance at 0.618 or 0.5 level, as if you like take this swing or this swing, according to that swings, right? I will switch to 5 minute and then to 1 minute time frame, and let's see like Nifty how it is going. Like Nifty, if you see, consolidating at the same level, but for Nifty, it is quite sure that trend is positive. Let's say our bank nifty trade is in favor, like 10-11 points profit over here, but like we did not waited and we okay. Let's see bank nifty is what will do. Like trend is positive, so definitely it is going upside and it has to go upside to test this level. Also, if you see these are the multiple time 1 2 3 4 5, so it has to go here and then it can come down, right? Meanwhile, we have also a scenario like this also. Just look at double top and all these things, right? And it has also did a retracement also. Okay, video length is almost around like 15 minutes. I will stop video here, and if I find any third, I will turn on video. Like I forget most of the times, but I still try.